Hello, welcome to Miragebooks support. Once you set up your company profile and log back in, you'll be taken to our homepage. Let's explore what's available here. On Miragebooks homepage, you have your financial dashboard. It's a central hub with all the key financial information of your business. The dashboard has 4 sections: your financial charts, payables and receivables, recent bills and invoices, and your imported files. Let's take a closer look at each one of them. At top of the page, your bills and invoices are summarized and presented in different charts. Swipe left or right to switch charts. You discover your expense by month, by vendor, by account, or your income by month, by customer, and by account. Tap on the pie or bar button to switch between views. Double-clicking on any part of the chart will review the underlying transactions. In the middle section, it's your accounts payable, overdue accounts payable, and accounts receivable. It helps you to monitor outstanding payments and the amounts owed to you. Accounts payable is the outstanding bills that you haven't paid yet. The overdue accounts payable is the outstanding bills that have passed the due date. Accounts receivable is money owed to your company by your customers. Clicking on them will reveal the underlying transactions. Here in the recent bills and invoices section, you have a clear view of all your transactions. Double-click on any entry to view and update transaction details. Whenever you add a new entry, it'll show up at the very top of the list for your easy access. Beside each entry, you'll see a letter I or B. I stands for sales invoice and B means it's a bill. When you import a scanned PDF file of your sales invoice or bill, a copy will be saved and listed in the Imported File section. On the right-hand side of the file names, you'll find an indicator that tells you whether the file is a copy of a bill or a sales invoice. At the upper right corner, you'll see 2 buttons ready for your Miragebooks entries. The plus button lets you manually add your bills or sales invoices. Give it a click and an action sheet will pop up. From there, you can pick which entries you want to add and then just fill in the required information as needed. The camera button is the function you'll use a lot. To activate it, just tap on it, then choose whether you like to take a photo, use an existing photo, or import a PDF file of your invoice or bill. Miragebooks will then scan your photo or PDF and automatically fill in the entries. Check out our other tutorials for more detailed instructions on adding bills or sales invoices. At the upper left corner, there is a hamburger button. Click on it, you'll open up the menu panel. This is where you'll find a list of functions that Miragebooks offers to make your accounting tasks easier. In today's video, we're going to give you an overview of these functions so you understand what each one does. If you want more detailed instructions for any of them, check out our other support videos, where we break down each function step by step. Let's start with bank statement. With this feature, you can upload your bank statements and match them up with the transaction entries in Miragebooks. This way, you can easily identify and resolve any discrepancies. No details left behind. Financial report function offers you a collection of financial reports that business often uses. They're designed to give you a clear picture of your finance. In each report, with just a few clicks, you can drill down to the underlying transactions. This feature allows you to review the details and ensure the accuracy of your transaction data. As your entries pile up, finding a specific one for review or updates can become a challenge. That's where the journal entry function comes to the rescue. You can search any entry by start or end date, invoice or bill numbers, dollar amounts, transaction types, account types, or names of the entity. Let's dive into Settings section. You can determine the initial numbers for your sales invoices. While some people prefer simple numbers like 1 or 001, if you have a different preference, feel free to choose whatever suits your business. You also have the option to add an invoice prefix before the initial number. This prefix can be a mix of letters, numbers, or both. And yes, you can assign prefix to your credit notes too. In the setting, you can also update your company profiles, refine your chart of accounts, set up payment terms for specific entities, and manage your contact book. Next, the Register New User function. This allows you to create a new account using a fresh email ID. Just remember to input the new email address along with the full name of the user for this new account. You will be able to set up a new company profile under the new account as well. When you need to update your password, you can find the Change Password function in the menu panel. Just follow the steps, enter your current password, input a new password, confirm the new password, and then click on Change Password button. Within About Miragebooks, you'll find Delete this account button. If you decide to click on it, please be aware that your company profile, transaction entries, and all related data will be permanently removed. So, only use this option when it's absolutely necessary. We offer dedicated step-by-step tutorials for each function we covered in this video. So if you're looking for more in-depth guidance, just check out the video of that function you are interested in. Thanks for watching.